Got the bravery, such a valid being. Got the recipe, I'm cooking up, I'm swimming at me. I've been pushing pillow niggas, busy politicking. I've been pushing big on my leg.
Yo, what up, everybody? It is your boy Public Mental Bata, guys, and we have a special guest today. Jembote Zangelahle, have you ever experienced that? Yeah, I've experienced it, bro.
Yeah.
But azange ndilibambe, yabo. Like a scenario. So let's say someone is wrongfully accused of something they did. Yabo. For example, masithi rape. Yabo.
Yeah.
And later on it is discovered by he or she is innocent. Yeah. So what must happen to the accusee? Well, so it's A, the accusee must go to prison for lying, or B, they just wasted the state's resources. Yeah. So how does the inheritance of Okolwa in a family affect Umdana as time goes?
One of you, bro, like, there's no poor or rich family,
Yeah.
you know.
So, yo, what up, everybody? It is your boy Public Mental Bata, guys, and we have a special guest today. But before I introduce the guest, I'm gonna let my co-host introduce himself first.
Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? I got my name J Papa. Ladies call me the Dark Lid Master Chocolate here, feel me?
So, as we go to the guests, Utungbani.
Yeah, Sia Keys right here. Yeah, Sia Keys, that's all I can say.
Syracuse. Where are you from, Syracuse?
I'm from Cape Town, but I was born here in Colesburg. Yeah.
Okay. So it's still 97, 95 for Fetu. So, okay, the first thing I want to speak on is about, it's not a question, but June is Men's Mental Health Month, and it's not well known about it's men's mental health and into ebalulekile lando ba sithethe ngayo ba, because as we know that people tend to brush that off. They say ayiqina indoda yabo. So I just wanna pass that on ukuba you all must know ukuba it's men's mental health month. Yabo. Yeah. So first question, Sia Keys. Is loyalty deeper for women than it is for men, or it's equally just as important to men?
Good question. I think loyalty, like, is deeper to both genders,
Yeah.
you know? Like, it's equal because also a man needs loyalty, you know?
Yeah.
And also a lady needs a loyalty.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I can say about that.
Okay.
Question.
The question says, is loyalty deeper for women than it is for men, or it's equally just as important to men?
I feel like it's more important than what you did, because the assurance yafuneka, because thina sine-disadvantages ezininzi singamachita, because ungabamba nelahle yabo. So umntu wakho have to abe loyal, even if mna ndihambile ndiyofeba ngaphandle and stuff, but at least andiyazi uyibeka kanjani, but I feel like i-important emachiteni more than emachereni. Yeah.
Like, I like to add to Glenda Itetayo, but okay, nabathi thina zinamachita siphumile siyofeba, like, asoze like isize nelahle yabo
Yeah.
kulo main chick yabo. Mostly ngabantu abawaza ngelahle emachiteni. Yeah, alright umjeta, because yeah, loyalty is important to guys, but I'm still stating mine. Yabo, is loyalty important to both, bro? Both genders.
Jembote Zangelahle, have you ever experienced that?
Yeah, I've experienced ilahle, bro. But azange ndilibambe, yabo. It was almost. Yeah, almost. Like, shit happened, bro. Like, a lot happened. Like, I was dating this girl. right? It was all cool. We love each other. The girl was giving me attention. Like, I didn't suspect anything, you know.
Yeah, that's how it happened.
You know. Then after some weeks, like we didn't talk with the girl. We just chatted on the phone, you know. Then quickly umntana sezongixelela uba okay, yo, see, I'm pregnant. I was like, fuck. 3 weeks yonke singabonani, sithethe efowunini, yabo. Why ke ngoku uzobringa up le way? Ndibuze ke ngoku mna, ndimbuza amabomba, okay, yeah man, ngubani kumithisileyo? Because like I'm shocked, you know, because sigqibele kudala uba soyithuna lo mntana. Then it was like, nguwe and all that. I'm like, damn, I don't even know that. Then quickly xa siyasgela, my female friend told me, nasi umntana ngowakho and all that, you know. Like I was really hurt, bruh. Amalahle, yo.
I feel like, because I have a question about. So, do you think, guys, the DNA is like mandatory in this generation? Uyabona amajita amaninzi bamba amalahle. Even if ne-assurance uba okay ngumntu wam ndodwa lowa, but is it a must uba umjite enze i-DNA even though uyamazi uba ngumntu wakho yedwa, nguwedwa lo? Like yayibona i-situation ezikhuyo ngoku as a country. So ndizoqala kuwe nje.
Very mandatory, wow. Very mandatory, wow. Hey, you never know, guys. You never know. Hey, these girls, guys. Umna ngakuxelela uba ulala nawe wedwa, but you never know, bro. You never know up until you know. So, mna, all I can say as a man, the generation, first thing that you have to ask for is it DNA. Is it DNA? Because, guys, kudala sifetyelwa. Kudala kubanjwa amalahle, ayiqali kuthi le nto, ayiqali kuthi, ayizugqibela kuthi futhi. Plus le generation yethu, yo, when it comes to bufebe, it's on another level. So it's on another level. It's too much, man.
Ama-2000 awalunganga baba. But
does it have to be mandatory?
yeah, it has to be mandatory, but kweli xesha siphila kulo ngoku, like, not most of us can afford DNA, bro.
Free clinic. Free.
That's a good thing, because my first time hearing about that by DNA is free. Because I never like went towards getting a DNA for someone, you know. But yeah, and ndiyaqauliva by free, but abanye they wouldn't afford DNA. But yeah, it's important to have a DNA, bro.
Yeah.
Because ndiyama malahle, because laa nto iza kujikela xa usewenzela umntanakho isiko laa nto leya. Yeah, bro.
Imagine. Wenzela umntanakho umcimbi ongowakho, bro. Imagine. Are you gonna speak on this or the DNA? Okay, okay, so we're gonna go to the second question, and this one is like a scenario, So let's say someone is wrongfully accused of something they did, for example, masiti rape, and later on it is discovered by he or she is innocent. Yeah. So what must happen to the accusee? Or so it's A, the accusee must go to prison for lying, or B, they just wasted the state's resources. So must it be a law uba lo mntu lo uxokileyo agwetywe okanye, yabo?
Yeah, baba, makabanjwe. Uxoke kwi-state ngam. Makabanjwe baba yam. Makabanjwe. Because you can never lie to the state, and ayathi mos namapolisa, don't ever lie to us. Okanye khona ingxaki ezokwenzeka. Okanye uzawubanjwa or something like that. Yeah, makabanjwe. The accusee must be arrested. He lied. She lied to the state.
And then imagine, bro, wonke umuntu kokwenu akakubhilivi, bro, abhiliva lo muntu akuzileyo. And imagine if you had a business that you were growing, and then the business yakho izibonza zatsala, and they no more want to fund the business yakho. Imagine, and you've been wrongfully accused. Guys, I think it has to be a law ba umuntu lo wrongfully accused le abortion.
the way we can also go imaside ayi-2. Either lo muntu uyabanjwa, if akafuni ubanjwa makakhuphe specific amount kulo mshita lo, andithi une-criminal record hayi regardless uba awunatyala but isesistemini ayizucima la uba hayi ubuatyuziwe hayi found not guilty. But either lo mntu lo uxokileyo uyabanjwa okanye ukhupha imali because istate asinatyala, ayiso state esixokileyo. Sisebenze nge-evidence ibikhona ngelo xesha hayi yabo. So it's either lo mntu uyabhatala okanye uyabanjwa. Phuma andazi noba ezoba like ndithi ndifuna i-1 million, I don't need 1 million okanye uye etrongweni yabo.
5 million baba. Cause nithi yona choose and I went to prison. The clock like cause everything about my life was shut down, bro. Yeah, bro. Literally everything about my life. As uchilo about okay, ngomnone business and all that. Like his sponsors is after hearing about that. To hi man, he own a business. He repay umnana. Yeah, which his sponsors will run away. Yeah, and business you're like trying to abasebenzi bakho. Yeah. Will lose job. Yeah, they'll not work for you anymore. Exactly. Although they'll think about okay, this is my last job, umsebenzi wami wokugcina lona and now umsebenzi. But because of what you did, they won't respect you anymore, so they will run away. The team the IQZ must be arrested, lied to the state, and 2 million on my bank account to fix my life again. You see, so 2 million, bro. To fix my life.
And imagine, bruh, you were a man of dignity. You had a wife, you had a family, bruh. Umfazi what decided to divorce just because of the accusee Landoka. Imagine you lost your entire family, bruh, just because you are. Yeah, you never know, Baba. You never know. So so the third question, so how does the inheritance of Okolwa in a family affect Umdana as time goes?
Like family beef and stuff. Okay. Umntana or younger generation family, and it most of the time kulwa abantu badala. So which the younger generation. And thina bras mhlawumbe ukhule kuthiwa ungayi endlini ethile. Yayazi uba like ifamily yakho but kuthiwa kokwenu hayi sukuya kulo zibani. Like andazi into bakufaka yona engqondweni uba nizondane even though thina singafuni uzondana. Eyami sikadibana i-cousin yakhe eGrove. Kuba mnandi but xa kuthiwa kwakufika endlini fanele u-active different. Andazi la iyachaphazela man because imvano ifamily seyidinga bra even ucinga uba ngani izidingo ziba. So andazi noba ngingathetha nje but iyazimosha ifamily.
Affect abantwana most definitely.
Yeah, lana bro, yeah, but affect abantwana. But what I can say is that mhlambi kule nto uPablo ayithethayo uba okay uzawudibana nekhazini yakho ethaveni, okay yonke into ibe right. Laa nto yobhifa kwii-families it happens kubantu abadala isikakhulu ne. Ke ngoku xa isenzeka ebantwini abadala thina bantwana masingayingeni loo nto, yabo, because yeah we are family ne, but yabantu abadala laa nto like involve bona qha bazayifixa ngoku abayazi uba bazayifixa njani. Like a family, bro, like kungaxatyanwa kuthini, but they always find a way to be together again. Yabo, kuhlale wonke umntu act like nothing happened. But it's still isezawufika laa nto uba okay iphinde kuxatyanwe, like yinto eyenzekayo leya man xabana kwee-families, but it doesn't matter to the kids nangona izaba affecta like kule generation like siphilayo thina. Okay, thina abantu bamnyama ke siyeke the white people, thina abantu bamnyama like okay families zawuxabana and all that. Like abantwana bazoyiminda laa nto, yabo, abantwana bazoyiminda, they'll be like okay how mama uxabana notata, they'll be good again. Yabo, they'll be love to the family again. Yeah.
Me, I have to address this because it happens a lot of times, and noma ngathiwa uyazama avoid umntana, but abazali banalandela ukuba as a bechilo utapablo uba you like bakufaka engqondweni uba suya phaa kulaa mzi ungamhloniphi laa mntu othile, yabo. Like imagine ukhuluma uhlonipha laa mntu ngoku bayalwa bayakufaka nawe kuyo yonke loo nto. So it becomes difficult ukuba wena as umntana loo mntu uhloniphe lower because your mother is the person who raised you up, yabo. So exactly, so whatever she says it goes, yabo. So sometimes yabosulela abantwana babantu ngaloo nto, and then as ubuchile now bayigqibeleni bayavana. Ngoku wena you're stuck in the middle, ngoku you were playing sides, ngoku you're stuck in the middle, and abantu abayi-two ngoku sebeyavana.
That's why I say don't involve yourself, bro.
Yeah.
Don't involve yourself with all that shit. Ngabantu abadala bayabazayifumana solution kule nto bayenzayo. Whatever that they are doing. Wena hlala ne-siblings zakho and be good ne-siblings zakho, guys. Long time ingaxabana ne-siblings.
Yeah.
That's all.
I hear you. So, why do certain kids blame why do certain kids blame their parents for being born in a poor family? And I understand yabo, you didn't ask to be born, yabo, but don't you think like it's better to be like thankful baba kunike ubomi? Like, why do kids certainly like blame abazali, yabo, for
on my point of view, bro, like there's no poor or rich family.
Yeah.
You know. As long as uzalwe kwindawo enophahla, you know, if you have a roof on top of your head, ayikho enye into bro ungayifuni. Yeah, well, if you have food, you have a place to stay, you're good, bro.
Yeah.
You're good. Wena into yaziyo ba okay banzalile umama mtatam, okay banzalile kule situation inje. It's your job to grow up, yeah, well, ukhuphe ifamily yakho and go study, you know, and get a job ukuze uzokhupha ifamily yakho kule nto ikuyo, yabo. Ukuze wena abantwana bakho ungabakhulisi kule nto ba ukhule kuyo, yabo. Ungablame ifamily yakho bro ngoba okay I grew up in a poor environment. Nah, because most bazokhulela in a rich environment, yabo, but bengakwazi ukwabona uzinakekela. End up smoking drugs, you know, because they know about okay, I have money, I have money ekhaya, yabo. Aphele engafundi umntana esikele because yayazi awutata mnemali akho need imfundo, you know. Yeah, bro. Don't you want to say something?
So mna like le brain endlela eziyi-two cause umzali masithi mamakho let's-say-ke uyaxhomekeka uba umzali wakho kuzale emncinci yena kanye mdala, but if mna mamakho akufumene late 20s, hayi bo wenza ntoni yonke le minyaka engazi something uba nawe ufana nabanye abantwana. That's why abanye abantwana be-end up bengena kwi-crime. Just because abazali bebenalo ixesha loba mabenze into right, but zange bakwazi ii-choices zabo mhlawumbi za-influencer ziitshomi kanye izinto zobomi, you never know. But ke abo jonga ngoku bandingaba nomntana ngoku early 20s zam, manje from now on ndicinga uba okay nomntana ndize ne-responsibility emhlabeni. Why ndingafocus ke ngoku ndizame something, even akho need uba ube rich, at least ukwazi uafford. Uzama umsebenzi orayithi uba andithi noba ndingazithi ndigqibe ka-grade 10 isikolo, ndize ne-chance uba mandibuyele esikolweni ndigqibe u-grade 12 wam nde-varsity, kanti akho nini uba nde-varsity ndizenza something befuna umsebenzi but uhleli awubhizi tshaya nentsapho, bhizi uyanxila. I-generation yethu le andiyazi uba ngabazali abanjani. Next coming 30 years andisiboni singotamkhulu ababhadlileyo. Hayi danger to society, because iyi-danger ke thina.
Imagine utamkhulu akusethi yo nigga,
Mhlawumbi
bro. Zabe ngabhadlanga nyani le generation le yethu hayi zabe ngabhadlanga cause nyani ngoku like teenage pregnancy ininzi ngoku le yethu generation ininzi and
ufuna umntana kodwa uyadliwa kokwabo,
bro Bruh.
And there's this tendency, Yolandoka, you compare families and situations zasendlini. Do not compare. Do not compare. Comparison kills a person, guys. That's all I can say. Comparison kills a person. If those banbani batya i-mashed potato wena kokwenu utya nje ilandoka irice enesoup, itya loo rice nesoup. Akho mntu oza kuvula ususa akubona uba okay ubutye ntoni, yabo. Yamkela imeko le ekuyo, because if unentliziyo encinci lo mhlaba siphila kuwo, kudala ndiyithetha lana. If unentliziyo encinci uzawulimala, awulimala boy, awulimala. The last question comes off the top, yabo guys. Yeah, I better go. Okay.
So braz, iyayazi msilabe uba abazali bakucomparison nomnye umntana athi like wena mhlawumbi umakhulu wam athi I wish ufana nomntakazibani, laa nto ifike yenze ntoni kuwe, like athi ngangayibeka njani le vie, like I hope andiyazi man, andiyazi ngiyayiva le nto.
Like nasikufane nomntana kaCharumanzana, yabo. Noba umntana kaCharumanzana une-degree ngoku, ubeka njalo, uyafunda, yabo. Akaseli, akazenzi izinto eziphuma ecaleni. Asifani singabantu, bras.
Yeah, asifani singabantu.
Asifani.
Okay, sawenza izinto ngendlela ezahlukileyo, bro. Like, asiyenze izinto ngendlela efanayo. Like I have my own route to go on, and nalaa mntu nayo endikhomperisha kuye unayo yakhe indlela. Ngoku xa ndizothatha leya ndlela yalaa mntu, I'll be lost mos. So I don't know what to do with my life, yabo, xa kunjalo, xa ndizolandela omnye umntu. So rather than I take my route, nangona izawuthatha ixesha elide, still I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna grind to get that diamond, bro.
Yeah. So, word of the day, follow your purpose. Follow your purpose, bro.
Yeah.
Know your purpose. Know it.
Know yourself.
Know yourself. So, the last question that I'm gonna be addressing now is the GBV, gents. The GBV that's been happening in South Africa, Jigele. In 2025, there's a rapid rise when it comes to GBV, and as men of the future, we have to address bafethu ba madoda sanubeka izandla bafazini. That is not okay. That is not okay, and we do not condone it. And I'm sorry ukuba sithetha ngayo late, and we're addressing it while yenzeke community yethu, because sometimes kuthiwa into like affect up until yenzeke kuwe, and yenzekile ngoku. And we have to address it. Guys, we have to stop GBV. We've been sitting here, city men are trash. Not all of us, guys, are trash. So, guys, can you please discipline yourselves? So far isandla mfazini, so far isandla. Kwa into ba upossess umfazi la we ube no obsession. We do not want that.
Umntana kayixakile umntana. Mshiye, bro. Okanye she cheated on you and all that. Nah, mshiye, bro.
Move on,
bro.
There's a lot of women out there. Let that go.
Yeah,
that's not your soulmate, bro. That's not your soulmate. Ugqibela wenza izinto ongafuni uzenza. Because as of now, I'm touched by the situation we are facing as it goes back.
But the situation we're gonna talk about it kwenye episode elandelayo, because we need to have a guest intombazana to talk
address
the situation ezinjalo. Yeah.
We just wanted to say, as a Secret Recipe podcast, we see you guys, and stop the GBV, guys. Stop the GBV. Stop it. We are saying this on a public platform. Please, guys. Sawudibana nani, guys. Sawudibana nani. And thank you, Siya Manzi. Thank you. Yeah. we are happy that you came and share knowledge yako, and this is what it's all about. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Most of y'all are watching, but you're not subscribing. You know, subscribe button. Just the bell, guys. It doesn't cost anything. Just hit the bell. Subscribe. Thank you.